The very first question, what should be added to minus 12 by 5 to get 3? What should be added to minus 12 by 5 to get 3? Aman, what you will do?
I
What?
will let the number added be x.
X, then
X plus minus 12 by 5 equal to 3.
3, okay.
X equal to 3 minus 12 by 5.
Okay.
And then the procedure.
How much it will be?
It will be sir 3 by 5.
3 by
5.
Set. Yes. So say, how will you solve this problem?
Sir, let the added number be x.
Okay.
Sir, x plus bracket minus 12 by 5
Okay.
bracket close is equal to 3.
3.
Sir, then x is equal to 3 3 plus 12 by 5.
Okay. Then how much?
Sir, फिर होगा 3 by 1
हाँ.
और फिर plus 12 by 5.
Okay.
Sir, that answer will be sir 27 by 5.
By
27
By 5.
by 5. 27 by 5. Okay, set. देखिए, ये सवाल क्या है? To get 3. To get 3, it means 3 जो है वो बड़ा है. Is a bigger sum. एंड यहां पर क्या करना है? ऐड करना है ना, और सब्ट्रैक्ट करना। तो सिंपली क्या करना है, इसमें क्या है, जो बिगर है उसमें से आपको यू आर टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, इसको क्या करोगे, 3 माइनस, है ना, माइनस 12 बाई 5, तो इट विल बी 3 माइनस एंड माइनस, इट विल बी प्लस 12 बाई 5. So cross multiply, 5 3s are 15 plus 12 by 5. It will be 27 by 5 is the right answer.
Sir minus 27 नहीं होगा.
No, it will not be minus 27. ठीक है. Next question है product of two rational numbers. Will you define a rational number? What is rational number, Aditya? What is rational number? In how rational number is represented?
Sir, a rational number is represented by a negative rational number and a positive rational number.
That's not my question. Yes, sit. Yes.
Any number p by q where q is 0 is a non-zero number.
Yes. Whenever you talk about rational number, the first impression you get that any rational number is in the form of p by q. What p is called?
Numerator.
Numerator. And q is called?
Denominator.
So the simple question was to the product of two rational numbers. Suppose it is p. Suppose it is p by q1, p1 by q1 into p2 by q2. So what will be the product? It will be p1 into p2 by q1 into q2. So I asked you the formula. So what it is, p1 into p2 is what? Product of numerator divided by product of
denominator.
product of denominator. So this was the answer. समझ में आए? अगर आप लोगों ने थोड़ा सा भी दिमाग लगाया होता तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर कर सकते. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, SI on rupees 10,000 at 5% per annum for 73 days is, I had given already, true and false. Rupees 10 it was. So but I have written here a question. I made it a question. So what SI, the formula of SI?
P to R into T divided by 100. P into R into T by 100.
यस SI का फार्मूला आप लोगों को एकदम जैसे अपना नाम आपको याद है, सो यू मस्ट लर्न द फार्मूला फॉर SI. PRT by 100. PRT by 100. P is what?
1000
1000.
into 5.
Rate is
5%.
and it is for 73 days. So 73 you will have to do what?
73 by 365.
It will be 73 divided by 365. Why you will divide it by
To convert into
to
year.
convert into
Year.
year and divided by
अभी हम
100.
366 कर रहे हैं.
73 5 cancel. So it is 10. It was 2. It was 2. Okay, next. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. 5 times. How much it will be?
Minus 3125.
First of all, you will have to you will have to focus on the number of negatives. It is 5 even or odd.
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 So
Minus.
it will be minus. And simply you are to multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 ja?
25.
25 5 ja?
125.
125 5 ja?
625.
625.
And 625 5 ja?
3125.
3125. 3125. This was the answer of this question. Next, if the cost price of 12 pencils is equal to the SP of 15 pencils, find the profit or loss percent. So, how will you solve it? In this type of sum, you will have to assume let the CP of one pencil be let the CP of what? CP of one pencil be rupees 1. So in this question, the SP of 15 pencil, SP of 15 pencil is equal to CP of 12 pencil. And CP of 12 pencil, if the CP of one pencil is 1, so CP of 12 pencil will be
12.
rupees
12.
12. And SP of 15 pencil will be what?
Rupees 12.
CP of 15 pencil. So CP of 15 pencils and minus loss, because the CP of 15 pencil will be 15 rupees, but the SP is 12, so there is a loss. So CP of 15 pencil minus loss is equal to rupees 12. ये क्लियर है ना? अब देखिए CP of 15 pencil will be rupees 15 minus loss is equal to 12. So if you bring it here, so loss will be equal to 15 minus 12, and that is rupees 3. Rupees 3 is the loss, and the loss percent you are to find. So what is the formula for loss percent? It is
Loss into
loss
100
percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. So loss is 3 and CP is of 15 pencils. 100. 3 5s are 5 20s are. So its answer will be 20%. Thank you.